In this video you'll learn how to run Ansys ICEPak on cloud-based workstations and clusters. First, let's look at how to run Ansys ICEPak in parallel on a workstation, utilizing all of the cores that we have available. First, open ICEPak. You can now choose if you want to start a new project or open an existing one. We're going to open an existing one for this case. In my case, the project is located on the desktop. After the model is opened, go to Solver, Settings, and then Parallel. In the Configuration pane, choose Parallel, and in the Parallel Options pane, set the number of processes. In our case, we have 8 cores, so we set the number of processes to 8. Press Accept. Now you can go to Solver and choose Run Simulation. In the dialog window, click the Start button, and your computation will start. Now it's time to look at how we can run ICEPak in parallel on a cluster. So the first step is to prepare the host file that tells Ansys on what computers to run their simulation. To do this, go to HPC user's home, create a new text file and name it hosts.txt. Open the file and also open the file mpd.hosts. mpd.hosts contain the compute nodes in the cluster. We need this information for our hosts.txt file. We want to add one line for each core that we want to use. And each of our compute nodes has 8 cores, so we need to add in total 16 lines. For the first 8 lines, copy the name of the first node for mpd.hosts. Go to hosts.txt and paste this text 8 times. Repeat the procedure for the second node. We're now ready to start the job. First, let's open ICEPak. When ICEPak is open, either open an existing project or create a new one. We will open the same project as in the first part of this tutorial. After the model is opened, go to Solver, Settings, and then Parallel. In the Configuration pane, choose Network Parallel, and in the Network Parallel Options pane, you must now find the hosts.txt file that we created. If it isn't already selected, click Browse and find the file, and then click Open. To make sure that you have the right file, you can click Edit. This will show you the contents of the file. Now you can click Accept. To start the simulation, go to Solver, click Run Simulation, and then press the button Start Solution. Your model will now compute.